Well, monsoons in Delhi have put the spotlight back on the crumbling infrastructure. In the last 24 hours, 9 people have lost their lives due to rain-related incidents in the national capital region. As videos of waterlogged roads of the capital raise concerns, the parliamentarians of the India bloc are using one video of water leaking through the roof of the new parliament building to target the government. The video that has been tweeted by the Congress MP Manikyam Tagore and Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav shows water dripping from the roof of a lobby into a bucket. This bucket is placed inside the new building of the parliament. Manikyam Tagore even submitted an adjournment motion notice in the Lok Sabha proposing the formation of a specialized committee to inspect the new Sansad building. The Kannauj MP Akhilesh Yadav took to social media and proposed that it's time to move back to the old parliament building. He also added, and I quote, "The public is asking whether the water leakage from every new roof built under the BJP government is part of their well-thought-out design." Listen in to the reactions.
There was paper leakage yesterday, earlier. Then there was Ram Mandir leakage. Then now it is Temple of Democracy leakage. In Parliament yesterday, heavy rains was there. Therefore, in the main lobby area, this leakage happened, which is very painful for us. In the 90-year-old building, when that happened, same thing happened. There was some kind of actions. Therefore, I had moved an adjournment motion today because this is a very serious issue. Therefore, I had moved an adjournment motion. Hope the Honorable Speaker accepts it and we have a discussion, find solutions to it.
If parliament building, a new parliament building leakage and other things is there, so urban development ministry has to reply the issue. So the new parliament constructions related what was monitored by the urban development ministry. Urban development ministry is there; they have to responsibility to give a reply.
और अभी जब मैं आ रहा था तो मैंने देखा संसद लीक हो गई है। बाहर पेपर लीक होता है, अंदर संसद लीक होती है। हर जगह लीक हो रहा है। मोदी है तो मुमकिन है। हर जगह लीक, हर जगह लीकेज, हर जगह रिश्वतखोरी।
कुछ लोगों का मानसिक संतुलन लीक कर गया है। अब अगर कुछ लोगों का मानसिक संतुलन लीक कर जाए तो इसका इलाज तो कोई मानसिक चिकित्सक ही कर सकता है। अब इनकी दिक्कत क्या हुई है कि पेपर लीक पे कार्रवाई हुई, उसके लिए आपके शोर मचाने से नहीं हुई। जैसे ही सरकार के संज्ञान में आया कार्रवाई की गई और जहां पर भी जिन जगहों पर भी इसके सरगना लोग हैं उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई हो रही है। अब आप लोगों की आदत हो गई है कि हर फेक एंड फैब्रिकेटेड किस्से कहानी गढ़ करके और जो है वो हाहाकार और हंगामा और हुड़दंग करो, तो इसे कहते हैं कि मुद्दों की कंगाली।
Well, it's not the first time that the opposition has unleashed a front against the government over the new parliament building. In 2021, during COVID-19, Rahul Gandhi had slammed the Central Vista project and questioned the money spent on the project. He said the Prime Minister's ego is bigger than people's lives. In 2023, after the Prime Minister had personally inspected the new parliament building before its inauguration, the Congress party's Jairam Ramesh called it a vanity project of a dictator. In May 2023, the opposition parties, 20 of them, had decided to boycott the inauguration of the new parliament building. And as recently as June 2024, the India MPs backed the SP MP R.K. Chaudhary and called for the removal of the historic Sengol from the parliament. And now, latching on to the video of the water leak from the new parliament building, the Congress and SP MPs are calling for an investigation and are pitching that MPs must move back to the old building. Let's go across to my colleague Rishabh, who's joining us on the broadcast. He was in the parliament earlier today. Rishabh, a lot of questions being raised on the leakage in the parliament. This was one side of the parliament, but what's stark is the irony, because right outside, across the national capital, that there are several places where infrastructure has crumbled, lives have been lost because of blatant violations. And the India bloc leaders have not spoken about those violations or lives lost, instead choosing to focus completely on one part of the parliament building that is leaking. Raise objections, yes, but also raise objections on the other cases where lives are being lost.
Well, definitely, since this new parliament has come into existence, the India bloc leaders, the opposition parties have been up and ante against the government. And the way yesterday there was leakage in one part of the new parliament, be it Akhilesh Yadav, be it Sanjay Singh of Aam Aadmi Party, or Malcolm Tagore of Congress, or other leaders as well. They have taken to social media to criticize the government for investing 1,200 odd crore of Indian rupees in the new parliament, and the leakage that is being seen. Remember, the leakage or the waterlogging that is being talked about was momentary, and it was because of intense rain. By the morning when we came in back to the parliament, the water was nowhere to be seen, and there was no waterlogging for that matter. But this whole water leakage in the parliament has become political, and the opposition parties have been attacking government that the planning, the infrastructure of parliament is such that it cannot hold even one rain. And be it Malcolm Tagore, who has even given a genuine notice in Lok Sabha against this leakage of water in the parliament, or for that matter Akhilesh Yadav, who has suggested that we should move back to our old parliament building, or for that matter even the leaders like Mohammad Javed, who is member of parliament from Kishanganj Hills from Congress party, who while discussing on education, the grants from Minister of Education, even started talking that bahar paper leak hota hai, yahan water leak hota hai. So this is something that the opposition leaders have been talking about since morning, and this is not the first time, as you mentioned, where the new parliament is the target for all the opposition leaders using the old parliament. They are trying to corner the government.
Okay, all right. Cornering the government over the leakage. Rishabh, stay with us. We have some more breaking updates coming in. The Lok Sabha Secretariat has now issued a statement on the leakage, and it says that, I quote, there are media reports that heavy rains in Delhi on Wednesday caused water leakage on the lobby of the newly inaugurated Parliament building, raising concerns about the weather resilience of the structure. It is worth mentioning that, keeping in view the concept of green parliament, glass domes have been provided in several parts of the building, so adhesive for these glass domes were displaced. My colleague Amit Kumar is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Amit Kumar, a statement being issued from the Lok Sabha Secretariat, but this comes at a time when several opposition leaders had decided to corner the centre over the same. What is the clarification that has come in?
साफ तौर पे एक चीज कहा गया कि ये जो ग्रीन पार्लियामेंट का कॉन्सेप्ट था, ताकि यहाँ पर रोशनी आ सके, और इसीलिए ग्लास डोम्स बनाए गए थे ताकि पार्लियामेंट के भीतर में रोशनी आए। और वहीं पर जो पार्लियामेंट डोम्स बनाए गए थे, वहां पर जो एडेसिव जो होता है वो इसे चिपकाया हुआ था ग्लासेस को, वो थोड़ी सी हट गई थी क्योंकि तेज हवा चल रही थी, बारिश भी बहुत तेज हो रही थी, लेकिन समय रहते इसको पहचान किया गया और तुरंत इसको ठीक किया गया ताकि ये चीज बड़ा ना हो, ज्यादा मुश्किलें पैदा ना हो, और तुरंत ही समस्या को लेकर सीपीडब्ल्यूडी और तमाम जो एजेंसी थी उन लोगों ने इस चीज को आइडेंटिफाई किया ताकि इसको ठीक कैसे किया जाए, और इसको ठीक कर लिया गया है ताकि ड्रेनेज सिस्टम के द्वारा जो बाहर जो था मकर द्वार के बाहर, तो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम के जरिए पानी को भी निकाल दिया गया है। तो थोड़ी दिक्कत हुई थी, इस बात को स्वीकार करते हुए कि कॉन्सेप्ट एक कोशिश थी कि रोशनी आए, उस पर ग्लासेस लगे हुए थे, डोम्स बने थे, वहां पर थोड़ी लीकेज थी, उसको ठीक किया गया है।
Okay, all right. Amit ji, thank you for joining us with those details. That's the official statement that has come in from the Secretariat on that. But let's shift our attention now to